We are SSEN. We keep the lights on, TVs running and homes and businesses heated across the north of Scotland and central southern England.
Every once in a while, you may experience a planned power cut. This is so we can carry out essential work on our network in your area. We need to carry out this important work to make sure the electricity supply to your home or business is reliable. If we need to do this in your area, we might need to turn your electricity off to keep you and our engineers safe.
We will always let you know before we have to turn your power off to help you prepare and reduce disruption to your day. But why is a planned power cut needed? We may need to repair or upgrade our electricity network, cut trees back near our overhead cables, or even add a new electricity connection. If we don't do this work, it may cause unexpected power cuts later down the line. Turning your power off when we do this will allow us to carry out the work safely.
You will get a letter and a leaflet before the planned power cut. This will include more information about why we need to turn off your power and how long it will be off.
We know it's hard to be without power, even for a few hours. Our leaflet has tips to help you prepare, and if you need more help, you can sign up for our free priority services. You do not need to be at home during the power cut. We will work as quickly and safely as we can to get your power back on as soon as possible. Your power may come back on at different times to your neighbours, because all of our customers are connected to different parts of the network.
We know how disruptive a power cut can be, and we thank you for your patience. We promise to support you and keep you informed every step of the way.
You can find more information on planned power cuts on our website at ssen.co.uk/planned power cuts.